In this video tutorial, we will guide you through the most dynamic part of the onboarding process, the mandatory integrations of your service with the DestinE Platform's core components. The integration stage is where your service becomes a fully connected part of the DestinE Platform ecosystem. It combines visibility, security, monitoring, and user experience into a single, consistent framework. Please keep in mind that you will receive full support throughout all integration steps, with access to the necessary templates, guidelines, and procedures. For more details on how support during integration is managed, please watch the dedicated support video tutorial. Let's have a look at the core integrations. We begin with identity and access management, which controls who can access your service and ensures secure authentication for every user. The IAM integration process starts with completing a dedicated survey. Once submitted, our operations team creates a key cloak client for your service and transfers administration to you. From then on, your user community will be able to log into your service through the DestinE Platform single sign-on, which provides secure and centralized access for your users. Next is the service registry, the catalog that stores and manages all services available on the DestinE Platform, making them searchable and easy to discover. To integrate your service, you will complete 2 surveys. The preliminary survey, with general service and interface details, and the operational survey, which adds technical information such as URLs and quota limits. These ensure that your service is accurately described, visible, and accessible to users. The web portal is the main entry point to the DestinE Platform, where users can also find documentation about your service. To ensure consistency and usability across all services, documentation must follow specific formats. Using the provided templates and guidelines, you will prepare a service user guide in Sphinx format and API documentation in Swagger format. These standards help present your service clearly and make it easier for users to access it through the platform. The monitoring integration ensures that your service provides key data for tracking your service's performance on the platform. At a minimum, this includes service availability, which is mandatory, and active user metrics, which are optional but recommended to monitor engagement and usage. While availability helps confirm uptime and reliability, active user metrics show engagement and resource consumption. The monitoring setup includes the definition of endpoints, expected statuses, and user activity events. Thanks to the clear guidance we provide on these elements, the integration process is straightforward and effective. These indicators feed into the DestinE Platform dashboard, enabling transparency and better service management. To maintain a consistent look and feel across the DestinE Platform, each service is expected to adopt a standardized header and footer. All styling details, including CSS, HTML, and JavaScript, are provided in the header and footer style package. This integration is strongly recommended for DestinE-funded services and encouraged for all others to ensure a unified user experience. After your service is published on the DestinE Platform, you will designate a contact point for operational issues and maintenance coordination, which are managed through dedicated channels in the platform's central support system, built on Atlassian Jira. 2 processes support ongoing operations: the service desk process, which manages user requests and issue reporting, and the coordinated maintenance process, for planned activities such as new releases or scheduled downtime. Following these ensures your service remains reliable and users stay informed. If your service exposes data to end users, you will need to prepare a data portfolio, a structured description of the data your service provides. This step makes your data easy to understand, searchable, and ready for integration into the service registry, ensuring that your service is fully aligned with platform standards and presented consistently with other services. The tenancy feature is an optional capability that allows service providers to offer selected users access to additional resources. While integration with the tenancy is not mandatory, it represents a strong opportunity to enable premium profiles and provide differentiated access for specific users or groups, adding flexibility and value to your service. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We look forward to working with you as you begin your onboarding journey on the DestinE Platform.